think very important to have early financial security, and you will do well in career. My initial days, I didn't have much financial security because I have to take care of my family. But mid part of my career is all about financial security. As long as your financial security, your ability to take risk is much higher, right, in your career, in the sense that you'll be able to work harder. You not worry about your EMIs, your house loans, and all these things, but you can really focus and on your career. India में वही 40 plus age is a real investors for you today. But having said that, I've seen
थिंग्स चेंज
not
समय लगेगा, मेहनत और करनी पड़ेगी. अंडर इंफॉर्मेशन से ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन की एज में आ गए.
the regulator is trying to regulate that. I think it's a very tough job to regulate that. I think too much of information. पहला होता था रिसर्च. रिसर्च में हम लोग बहुत वैल्यू रहता था. I think today research has no value because there is so much of information lying there. I think somewhere people have to take a call saying that what is the informed decisions, and informed decisions is very critical to build your portfolio. I think a lot of people just hear say build their portfolios. Some experts in the digital social media which are not licensed will start advising. We have gone through all the cycles, Vivek. I think sometimes it becomes very painful when you look at when the customers come back to us and tell me that I lost so much. I still have connects with my old investors, which now I am not advisor. Today I'm a manufacturer. But when I still come back and meet a couple of advisors, I do meet a couple of private banks. Most of the time our conversation is this, that what is customers doing, and some point of time it's good. I'm not saying it's not bad because it pushes even advisors to be up the scale in terms of their advisory. I think all these things will happen, but I think your point is right. But today if you ask me is there any solution to solve that, my answer is no. Answer is extremely no. I think we need to think about how to build that. Regulation has become tighter. The social media is getting much more tougher for all these individual advisors. But we need to see how it shapes up. My belief is that if you are an investor today coming to the market, first go to a pure diversified equity fund.
ये हो गए आपके मल्टी कैप,
फ्लेक्सी कैप, हाइब्रिड बाद में करो. हाँ, बाद में करो because you need to understand the process, how does it do it. But if you are a very good understanding about stocks, or you are inclined towards, start picking stocks. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of people tell me that, oh, पहला तो stock नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. There are people in my friend circle, the kids are brilliant than most of the fund managers. Because of what we spoke about, information
वो
is there.
आपको तभी करना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट है, आप में आपके पास टाइम है.
I agree with you. But I'm not saying oh नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm not saying that.
Yes
what
or
I'm
no,
saying
wrong
is
or right तो होता नहीं है.
but the easiest way is to do a diversified mutual fund. Whether it is mixture of large and mid or a flexi cap, it's a good start point for first time investor. If you ask me, my history says the same thing. That my first was one of the fund which today is I think it is now 30-year-old fund.